Welcome back, ladies. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you, I have about 7 different styles, different type, different texture of hats that you can wear during the winter. If you're not a lover of beanie, or you want to kind of upgrade, or you want to elevate your look during this winter, I've got different styles of hats for you that you can use to style your outfits and make it look more classy, because most of the hats that I'll be sharing today are things that you can always use to dress up your outfit, and it's going to definitely make you look elevated, make your outfit look very expensive, very classic, and very chic as well. The one I'm wearing are the regular beanie that's like Christmas, like very cold winter. You want to wear your jeans, you just want to look, very casual. You can wear all this. And the other one is by Michael Kors. It just has Michael Kors all prints there. If you want to wear that to style it up, to dress up, you can as well do this. I'm just one of those people that believe that beanie is just for if you're going to be like very casual for that day. If I am wrong, please correct me in the comment section. You can wear regular beret just like the one I'm showing on the screen right now, if that is your style too. But I wanted to see some other hats that I can wear during this winter time, so I decided to go ahead and purchase all this. I think I have about 7 of it that I'm going to be sharing today. So without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Ladies, please ignore my bandana. I'm just that type. I don't want makeup transfer on my hat. Even if I'm going to use it when I'm going to go out, I'm going to find something to tie under it, because I do not want to see makeup stain on it. All right, so this is the first one. Look at this has a bow right here, and it's fluffy. It's very winter appropriate. It feels very cozy, and it feels like it's going to last. This is the inside. Look at the inside. Some people can even wear it like this if you want it like this, and if you want to show the pattern, the design, like a knitted design is right on the side all around like that. And this bow, it's very girly, it's very beautiful, it's going to make your outfit look very chic and stylish. That is what I'm going for. And again, we are not breaking the bank. So we're going to go ahead and just pop it on, and let's see. Like I said, I don't want makeup on mine, that's why I put on that. So you can always style yours in any way that you like it, but just for this video, purpose of this video, so as not to prolong the video, I'm just going to go ahead. However it looks, please take me as I am. So here is the second one. It's also the first type. It's just I decided to go ahead and pick this one in black also, because that pink of course is going to call for color the way I'm going to style it. But this you can always wear it with whatever that you choose to wear it with, because black goes with everything basically. So this is it can be at the front, it could be at the side, depending on how you want to style it. So just like I mentioned before, I don't have any problem with wearing beanie, alright, because depending on where you live, the weather might be too cold, maybe too cold for comfort. So let's look at the inside. Look at the inside. It's very cozy in there, so it looks very warm, and this thing is so affordable. Alright, I don't even know, I'm not sure it's up to $10. So the kind of sweater material that they use, I believe, is going to keep you warm. And with this, your ears are going to be protected from the harsh cold weather. You don't want that to affect your ears. The moment it gets into your ears, you won't even be able to talk. Your mouth are going to go like freezing or frozen. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and pop it on my head. So you can just style it the way you want, but the most important part of it is you have to let this be on your ears so that you can cover it. That's the reason why I purchased it, because I wanted this to cover my ears and protect me from the cold, depending on the weather, depending on where I'm going, and depending on what I'm wearing. This is the next one. I've never worn anything like this before for winter time. This is how the inside is looking. All right, and this rope is meant to adjust it to your head size, because it's moving. The way I'm pulling it, it's moving so that it can fit to the circumference of your head. I believe that's what those ropes are meant for, these two ropes that you're looking at here, and it has this, look at that, this fluffy kind of material on it. This is, of course, they are all one size fits all. I don't, but it's just the amazing thing is that they put this so that you can adjust it to the size of your head. All right, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this one out too. Imagine you wearing a very, even if it's a thrifted coat that you bought from the thrift store, and you take it to the dry cleaner, you dry clean it, and you have some kind of beautiful outfit going on underneath with that coat, and you put this, you pop it on, you're going to look like $1,000,000. See? Ooh. Look at that. This is, it feels very like very warm. And again, if you're wearing a wig then putting a hat on top of it, you're going to be very cozy, very warm. Where I live is always very cold, and it snows, so I'm so ready for this weather this winter time, because we moved here last winter time. I wasn't ready. Of course, I had some other hats that I use at home, but I just want to elevate them, so I decided to purchase all of these. I like this. I like it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which one is your favorite so far? Let me go ahead and continue with this video. I'm just loving this. I believe when I picked this one, it says something about wool. I don't know if it's made with wool, but that's what I read. This is the style of this one, and it's also one size fits all. It doesn't have any rope inside. You have this detailing at the front. And the most amazing thing why I picked this is beige. I chose this because this will go with any kind of outfit color. All right, it's not going to like be demanding for match. All right, so look at that, the detailing. And here is the inside. Is very neat, very cozy, very clean. I believe this is going to elevate your winter coat, winter jacket, however you want to call it. It's really beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and put this. Ignore the red you're looking at under there. Of course, I wouldn't wear it like that. Also, this is another one that you can wear depending on how the weather is where you live. So this one also came with it has that rope, and this is the inside. It has this detailing at the side. It's very they are well made. I'm not going to lie, it looks like something that is very expensive. Like, depending on how you're going to style it, and people will think that you probably bought this at a very expensive boutique. I don't even care if I bought my stuff $1, it doesn't matter. It's how I put it together and the feeling I get when I put it on. You know, I'm not going to go broke trying to impress anybody. Never ever in my life will I do that to myself. I will buy what I can afford, and I will dress it up, and I will still look good. We are all about looking good. It's not equal to breaking the bank. Always remember that. Ignore the red at the back. All right, this is really amazing. I like the way it feels. This is best for just styling, like during the fall, spring, summer. I'm not really going to recommend this for the winter time, depending on where you're living, because if you put this one on during the winter time, probably will not keep you warm. It's just for styling purpose. But the rest of them I featured, I can guarantee you 100% they will prevent your head getting cold. They will keep your head really warm. And when your ears are warm, there's possibility that all of your body will feel warm as well, because you're going to wear jackets, and we need to protect this part of our body as well. All right, ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.